Rediscover your true colors, a guide to naturally reversing gray hair. Hello dears, I hope you are well. Today I want to talk to you about getting white hair back to its original state, so stay with me. Gray hair is a natural part of the aging process, but many individuals desire to maintain their natural hair color for as long as possible. While there is no guaranteed method to completely reverse gray hair, there are several approaches you can take to slow down the graying process and potentially restore some of your hair's natural color. I will explore various strategies and lifestyle changes that may help you regain your youthful locks and embrace your true colors once again. Understanding the graying process. Before delving into reversing gray hair, it's essential to understand why it occurs. As we age, our hair follicles produce less melanin, the pigment responsible for hair color. Consequently, hair starts losing its color and turns gray or white. While genetics play a significant role in determining when and how quickly hair grays, lifestyle factors and certain medical conditions can also influence the graying process. Embrace a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining overall health and well-being is crucial for healthy hair. Consider adopting the following lifestyle habits to potentially slow down or prevent premature graying. A. Balanced diet. Ensure your diet is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, fish, and lean proteins. These provide essential nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. B. Hydration. Drink an adequate amount of water daily to keep your hair and body hydrated. Dehydration can weaken hair strands and contribute to premature graying. C. Stress reduction. High stress levels can accelerate the graying process. Engage in activities such as yoga, meditation, or regular exercise to manage stress effectively. D. Quit smoking. Smoking has been linked to premature graying, so quitting this habit can benefit your hair health. Natural remedies and hair care tips. While natural remedies cannot completely reverse gray hair, they may help slow down the graying process and improve the overall appearance of your hair. Consider the following. A. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is believed to have properties that can darken hair and slow down graying. You can consume it in powder or juice form or apply it topically as an oil or hair mask. B. Coconut oil and lemon juice. Massaging a mixture of coconut oil and lemon juice onto your scalp and hair can help nourish the hair follicles and potentially enhance hair color. C. Black tea rinse. Rinse your hair with black tea, as it contains natural dyes that can darken hair temporarily. D. Gentle hair care. Avoid excessive use of heat styling tools, harsh chemical treatments, or frequent hair coloring, as these can damage hair follicles and worsen graying. Opt for natural and gentle hair care products specifically designed for gray hair. Professional hair treatments. If you're looking for more immediate and long-lasting results, consider consulting a professional hair specialist who can offer treatments such as A. Hair dye. Choose a hair dye that matches your natural color or opt for highlights or lowlights to blend gray hair with the rest of your hair. B. Henna. Henna is a natural dye that can impart reddish hues to your hair. It is a safer alternative to chemical dyes and can help cover gray hair. C. Melanin supplements. Some supplements claim to restore melanin production, potentially slowing down the graying process. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplements. Conclusion. While reversing gray hair entirely is not possible, you can take steps to slow down graying and enhance your hair's appearance. Embrace a healthy lifestyle, consider natural remedies, and explore professional hair treatments that best suit your preferences. Remember, embracing your natural beauty, regardless of hair color, is a wonderful way to celebrate your unique journey through life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.